Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Tamron 90mm macro lens. Recently I had this lens which had fungus behind the front lens element. So I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As the lens being used, it collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately it is very easy to remove the front lens element, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside and then assemble the lens. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that we use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly I have used a Phillips 3.0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a metal tweezers and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens I've used an air blower, a brush, lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. For checking the lens elements I've used a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. As you can see, there is some fungus in the lens. Remove the manual focus rubber ring. Turn the manual focus ring until the screw can be seen through the hole. Remove the screws. Remove the washers. Remove the adhesive tape. Put a mark on the side of the front lens element to make sure it is at the same position as originally. Remove the screws. Remove the front lens. Check if the surfaces of the lens elements are dirty or dusty. The lens is dirty, so I start to clean it with alcohol and microfiber cloth. Let's continue with the front lens element. Clean it with alcohol and microfiber cloth. Check if the surface of the lens is perfectly clean. The lens is perfectly clean, so I continue with assembling the lens. Put back the front lens element. Use the mark to put it back at the same position as it was there. Put back the screws. The next step is to put back the front cover ring. The white dot on the ring should be at the center of the lens. Turn the manual focus ring to make the hole on it aligned with the place of the screw. Put back the washers and screws. Put back the manual focus rubber ring. We finished cleaning the lens. As it can be seen, the front lens element is perfectly clean. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time in my other videos.